Yesterday, a dear friend of mine dropped off a little package for me. If you want to know what's inside, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène. Welcome, or if you've been here before, welcome back. I am about to open up a little goodie bag that my friend Lise dropped off for me. Now, she was supposed to drop off one cream container. This is not one cream container. I told her that when she dropped it off. We are now in full lockdown, so Lise dropped it off. She was wearing a mask, went right back down the stairs at the front door to make sure we were social distanced, which I really appreciate, Lise, more than you know. Or maybe you know, we've talked about it lots. Anyway, the whole point being that she dropped something off that was really sweet, and I wanted to share this with you, and who knows, Lise might even watch this and see my reaction, which in this time, this interesting time, we can't necessarily experience everything with each other. So I thought that would be a nice thing to do. All right. And she even put a little card. Hey, all right. Oh, that's so cute. Thanks for your friendship. That is such a sweet little card to put in the package. Like, why would you do that? You're so thoughtful. I'm going to read it first. Hugs and lots of love right back to you, Lise. Right back to you. Okay, I will dispense with everything else that was in the card. It was a lovely sentiment, and I'm very grateful. Now let's take a look at what's in here. I'm really curious. She did not have to do it. I gave her the side eye when she told me she put in more than the cream. But anyway, and the package she received, she won a prize. If I can manage to do so, I will put a picture of the basket right here. I'm sure Lise would not mind. It's just, I'm so happy for her. She is set on skincare for a year or two. I mean, serums, creams, she got so much stuff from Shoppers Drug Mart that I'm so impressed. And I gush about Shoppers Drug Mart on a regular basis. If you haven't seen my latest haul, I will put it right there for you. Lots of Canadian holiday sets in that haul. Okay, back to this little guy. So I'm going to hopefully not make too much noise as I go in for stuff. And I'm trying not to drop anything on the floor. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. There's 3 items in here. Okay. 3 items in here. There is the, Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex. Yes, thank you. Love it. I am using a deluxe sample of this right now, as a matter of fact. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is the right size, like perfect size for if you have to be away, although right now that's not an issue. How many mil in here? It says 3 mil. Nice. And it's the kind of thing that I would clean out and refill so that I know what is in the container. And the little boxes are so cute. And the next one is the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. Now, I heard they reformulated some of their Advanced Night Repair. I'm not sure if it's all of them or just one item. And yeah, it's a different one, a new one from what I'm used to. I have another sample of this, and I'm very interested to try them. I'm not sure what the Intense Reset Concentrate is. Okay, so it says use at night after the repair serum. Okay, well, good to know. And then this red one, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's another one from Estée Lauder, and it says Nutritious Super Pomegranate Radiant Energy 2-in-1 Cleansing Foam. I have never tried anything remotely like cleansing foam from Estée Lauder. And there is in here 7 ml. So I will try it for sure. Nice, Radiant Energy. 2-in-1. I'm not sure what the 2-in-1 is. It says AM and PM. You can also use it as a weekly mask. Massage onto dry skin, leave on for 2 minutes, rinse, avoid eye area. Okay, so good to know. Those samples, when it's very, very small usage, like eye cream and serums, they will last you so long. If you have not seen my 20 samples video, I'll put it right here. I go into some detail on that because samples are the unsung heroes of beauty purchases, because you can really supplement your skincare with a lot of samples, as long as you know that the samples you're selecting are samples that your skin is happy with. So if you know it's a brand that you use on the regular and it shows up as a sample, grab it. Why not, right? Okay, there we go. So those were 3 lovely samples. I'm super happy to have them. And then I did not realize this was full size. This is an amazing, amazing amount of product. This is the Resilience Lift Firming and Sculpting Face and Neck Cream. And it has SPF 15 in it. Now, I would not consider SPF 15 a whole lot of 15, but it's nice to know that there's some in it. I would supplement with another SPF for sure if I'm using this during the day, which it sounds like it is a day cream. And I will open it. How many mil in here does it say? 50 ml, which is a full-size cream, and it's quite luxe, it's quite heavy. And to offer you as much context as you need to make sense of this, there were many full-size products, and I picked this one because I have ordered the Estée Lauder holiday set. It is supposed to get to me by November 16th. The moment I have it, I will start filming for you all the types of videos that I film for other holiday sets. Other holiday sets include Lancôme and Elizabeth Arden. You can do a search on this channel. I have a ton of videos. Actually, I'll put all those links in the description box as much as I can so that you can see from 2018, 19, and this year, everything that I've filmed on those holiday sets. The moment I get the Estée Lauder, you will get those videos as well. But in the set this year, they didn't have any major selections to make that the customer would make in selecting a set. All it was the cream. You could choose between 2 creams. I chose the Supreme, and I was really hemming and hawing on trying this one, but you had to pick one or the other. So when this one was available, and Lise said, "Is there anything in this basket you would like?" That was the only thing that I really thought would be helpful, because I would be able to talk to you about both creams that come in the 2 sets. So Lise, merci, thank you. You have definitely given me an ability to be able to review the overall holiday set for Estée Lauder, and I'm so, so grateful. This means a lot. It's super, super helpful. So yeah, I am so, so thankful for the little goodie bag. I am also super thankful for a wonderful friendship that has been years and years going on, and for our mutual friend to have essentially introduced us, which is wonderful. Great friendships are to be cherished, and I'm very, very grateful for this one. So I will definitely make good use of this, and I am probably going to use, because I just finished my Sephora cleanser, I'm probably going to end up using this nutritious 2-in-1 cleanser from Estée Lauder tonight. And then these 2 will be pretty easy to get back into my usual routine. Right now I am doing a brand new focus on Kate Somerville. If you want to see the intro for that, I will put it right there, and it has my conclusions on the Rodial Bee Venom series, if you're curious about that. And so yeah, these will seamlessly get into the rotation, no problem there. And I think I've rambled on enough. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I appreciate it. It was just warmed my heart, and I hope it warmed yours as well. With that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. You know that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.